Well, good morning. So this morning we're back at Macquarie Pass National Park in search of another waterfall, and it's about 2 hours drive south of Sydney, inland from Kiama, same place as last week's video, and or the other week. I don't know if that's going to be last week. Anyway, we made it. It's about maybe a 40-minute walk once you part to walk into the falls itself, and look what we found. This beautiful little waterfall here, which falls right down into this gorge. So if you I don't know if you can see all that possibly, but there you go. Falls right down into this gorge. It's got this enormous rock right behind me, so we'll try and feature that in maybe a shot. What I'm thinking is maybe if I can try and get down onto this shelf over here, we might be able to look back and get a shot of the water trail as it comes down the falls. Anyway, let's see what we can get. Have a bit of an explore. Just arrived, no one here, it's very early, sun's just come up, so let's see what we can find. Try and get a shot. Alright, so I've actually set you guys just a little bit back from the waterfall because my other tripod's already quite precariously balanced on the edge here. We managed to sort of walk around the falls, and I've been able to just get down on this ledge that I pointed out earlier. Really nice shot of the falls from here. So you can see that leading line of the water sort of coming through the falls. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bracket this shot. So I've got 5 exposures. I've already manual focused so the camera's not hunting. And I'm going to bracket this for 5 exposures from dark to light. And then we'll see if we can capture this shot. Try and get this in one shot, I think. Here we go. So, and the bracketed shots are from about 2 seconds. So let's see what we get here. It's going to be a nice silky look to the shot, silky smooth water, okay, let's see what we get from that. Oh, hi again. I'm down here. So previously I was up on this ledge up on the left here. You can see where it is just up here, getting a shot of the top falls. But what I've done now is I've managed to scramble down, a little bit slippery, it's a bit wet, so you have to be very careful coming down here, but managed to scramble down the rock ledge. I'm actually focused just on the lower falls at F9 right now, and I'm bracketing again as well. So let's get that bracketed shot, see how it looks. Hi, so we've just come from the other falls further down. It was a fairly arduous climb here. It's a grade 5 on the National Parks website. So grade 5 walk is as hard as their walks get. So we've just basically climbed the mountain to get up here. On the way to the first falls, it was an easy walk. It was a trail that we walked along, but up here was a fairly strenuous kind of walk. Anyway, we got up here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's this stunning waterfall. Which I'm a little bit hesitant to lean back too far because I'm on the edge of a rock here, and it's a long 300 miles down at the ground. But if you can see that shot, I'm doing a 1 minute exposure right now with a 6-stop ND in there. I've got my polarizer spun so I can take all the reflections off the water. We're at 55 seconds, so I'm just going to see how this shot comes out, and we're done. Okay, let's check that one out. Well, hi again. So I've just come down from my lofty perch up here, right down to the water's edge, and I've set the camera way down low. I don't even see the camera now. I don't think you can see it. Anyway, it's set up with this little sort of green plant right in front of me as some really nice foreground interest. I've got the water sort of running just past the plant as well, and I've got the waterfall, and I'm shooting 30-second exposure at the moment, particularly for the background. So once this 30-second exposure is done, I might do a shot for the plant itself because it's moving just in the wind. It's going to be blurry in the 30-second shot, so we'll bring that together. But what a scene! I mean, this water flowing down the side is just spectacular. Let's check this one out. Well, hi again. You probably can't even see me there, but probably one of the last shots of today is going to be this one, and I've just moved around the pool here, and just trying to, again, it's going to be about a 1.5 minute exposure, and with that sort of silky smooth water look. I'll put a grad in because I was just finding the very top of the falls is really quite bright at the moment, so I've got a grad in with a 6-stop ND. I'm shooting at f9, 1.5 minutes. That's 1 minute so far. So let's get this one in the bag and check it out. Check out some of these markings on these rocks. These are just sensational. Incredible falls. I'm gonna take a walk down. Just down here. There's another fall just around this corner. Let's go and check it out. Wow! Check these out. These look like they've been sitting here for 1,000,000 years. This guy over my shoulder, it looks like he's literally sitting on the edge, just waiting to roll over. I'm actually going to set the tripod up just down here and see if I can get a picture. I don't know if it's even going to get close to the scale of what we're standing in front of, but let's do a quick shot of this and see if we can capture this. Let's see if we can somehow capture this with a little bit of movement in the water. Just incredible. Mossy growth on top of this rock over here. Looks like been there for a long time. Okay, so I'm going to take the camera out, and I'm going to very quickly, because I was actually heading out until I saw this. I'm going to very quickly run down here and see if we can snap this as a shot. No idea if this is going to work. I've got a 60mm on right now, so that's probably going to be wide enough. These rocks are super slippery, so it's got to be careful. Okay, let's see if can you see me? Almost. Let's see if there's a shot here. I'll be back in a sec. try and get a shot of this fall with this enormous rock here. I could stand clearly underneath this rock. I'm going to take a shot from fairly low down and see if I can get a bit of a cascade happening here as maybe the last shot of the day, because it's kind of getting late now and it's almost time for us to head off. So let's just frame this up. Some nice falls over this side. We've got a fall here as well. I'm thinking I need to be dead center, somewhere like here. Set the camera up down low and see if we can capture any of this sensational scene. So 45 seconds. So okay, once it's up to a minute, let's get this one in the bag and check it out. Well, that's it again from Macquarie Pass National Park. A couple hours south of Sydney, but worth every minute. Great place, great trails, unbelievable waterfalls. You gotta come down, visit it if you come to Sydney. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, do all that stuff. Let me know in the comments which was your favourite shot. A couple of different styles of shot today, so interesting to hear what you think. And that's it, so we'll see you in the next one. All the best. Have a good one. Cheers.